Introducing the Versa Studio BN-20 from Roland. The world's first desktop metallic print and cut device. The freedom to bring your ideas to life. The BN-20 is the world's first desktop inkjet device that can print metallic silver ink. It's a whole new world of applications for inkjet. Plus, the BN-20 is amazingly compact. It can fit almost anywhere. The Versa Studio BN-20. Small size, but incredibly high resolution, high durability, integrated contour cutting, and metallic ink. A perfect choice for starting a new sign and graphics business, extending your existing print services, or for doing your company's signs, graphics, and decals. The BN-20 is simple and intuitive, with everything you need to start printing and cutting right out of the box. The BN-20 is also amazingly versatile, an all-in-wonder of a printer. The real question is, what can't it print? All this with amazing quality images that will last and last. So, if you need a desktop printer that's capable enough to print and cut, shiny enough to print metallic inks, versatile enough for hundreds of applications and uses, and inexpensive enough for your budget, then discover the Versa Studio BN-20. Imagine it, print it, cut it. The BN-20 by Roland.